Mama wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Entire na so mo fefe no.
Anya kufuadwa ka police ba mo amotse. Anya kufuadwa ka police amotse. Anya ni eni won. Ye ni mo kromu ha. Police ko ni eni mo kromu ha. Ah. Police James police ko ye ni mo kromu ha. Ye ni mo kromu ha. Anya kufuadwa ka amotse say.
Say o mai no. Anya say na mahama ka che so oba obeye. Mahama ka che so no oba. Oba create nyuma 24-hour economy. Abaya, omo manya nyuma dada no. Omo ni wapamu omo. And the dude so is back. A whole University of Ghana. Ah, the self was study honum. And the yanya like Ghana the study. And some hulu. Why come on hamate?
Omo anko bi enti omo ti meja. Ya pamu omo, ya pamu omo so. Ya be pamu omo so. Moa. Mo hwe ni yi. Me say Semanya mumpu na mubina mo koton a yesre mo koton na munja baumia because mona mo said no mo sorry onim. You know what they use now as their A. You say me madam Ghana jollof nti no mo yesa sebe ye ma me Ghana jollof obaraben munkwasi asemu na mudi ani adidi atemu na mudi di nti na ma Ghana jollof so tisi mu say sa de ani amuso mu nsom na de be wo mo. Then somebody we should let you be because muska ti ye no ma sebe ye papa no mu niska ne de sebe ye de sebe yanko shempe bi ase na ye mmem. Madam man kasa control asem ni bi o. Samira is a very unique, loving, outstanding woman. Something you cannot be. Wo ujina ono odokene de Japan krachi huku na ono da wechi. On Jimmy awe Jimmy. Mami a oka say me nim nanim but then in some way free nanu ba na kire se wo yekwasi ampeni. Sabe ono ojina we obuken krachi nukunu. Yibetumi aka de pese kafa ba umia ho ni na da ben what say ba umia eni ne yire enya ntokwada ya ti o ma asem kra wa bontenda pati bibi sada abebi jina aka say ba umia cannot control nkwasi eni mu kona ko bisa na ado ma me kire wade se wa bon na se wuni ma de a na ado say eba na memwu mu a ho tie ono an kan during corona o say ebra ne amemu aye den na ono ohun control ohun kwan obefa so de be solve ni amano dia okon ho etumi nya ade otumi de control Ghana ema bibia yeye Dr. Baumia na na do ne kan ye utie Kennedy for no muntie Baumia onye nhye ontesa o president na obeka say se wanda na me se da na me woska na wanda na de me de be shoot ni Baumia ontesa ne wi aseso entesa akwasi ampafo amudi na echi mo mpenhye mo mpese mukuru no mbehye mo mpese mo yire no mbehye mo so mo gidi tum se yempa obi a oye nhye emehye yeso medin kan ka kire mo I work for Baumia. I work for his wife and nti wo a wo beba na wa beye wo se wo ma meton sebio candidate di obetumi aye na wo ba beye wo se wo de Baumia be frefre ma be di na tem no mesre mo. This time the gloves are off, the mask is off. Days where I need to teach, I will teach. Days where we need to respond to some stupidity going on, we'll respond to those stupidity. We serve a political party, not a single individual. If you are in to serve a single individual, then go ahead and do that. What makes me sad and irritating about some of you can supporters, and then they say, Niama NDC 4 years as you don't have the chance to talk about that because your boss's agenda is to work for Ibrahim and his brother. Anytime a baby papa bebe says you did me opposition, no, so confusion do a party no, not that become the focal point. Now you forget the essence of what we need to do. Campaign hasn't started. But if you people want to start it bloody, we will start it bloody. NPP to no position 80 years, I mean, I'm family home. Me catch you plane. Dear ye me yane Ghana dachi and ye be delay. Ghana ye dear be chia quetch no ne hame. Na ye pobi or kura junior de Ghana be con anymore. Ba umia. In the phobia member. Who this are 500 we already abre on who we are cool down. Na start the church same because you obey your home ye yes killer you be pay you be ed washing wo no nya you kra jelly can kra na you be to me mo the washing makata also utie gina steady not the way I yeah dwuma no yenye dwuma no kama me obi me hye wachim piapia man kudi nkwase asem menim se mabeka sei akwase ampafo ni be ba betata wachi ebe piapia the American say titia break because we ya hano enye feda fellas appear you know why winning enye feda enko ye bibi na ekire enko gina ba bi na menum ye na enhu ne say aden kra na yekoye sa si enyansa to hufo not on candidate and that's it. It's here for me dear see I don't even wanna I have other videos I was trying to play but I think some about 1 or 2 videos and then that's it. Yeah, it's okay. I will just take the patrol today, Sister Diana. If I'm going to take any people, it would have to be only 2 many time. All right, I have to do 1 or 2 things to make sure that any time. So I'm gonna play these videos quick, and then I would continue. But kudos to the how do you call it? Ghana Minority Caucus for walk call demonstration call, you know. I believe say it's time overdue. Say yemma kwan na nipa ba kumfamra nensha na sebe on say ye democracy ayenya because say ye be yes wo NDC ne na obedwene so be power or china another political party beba abaye de bo techi de bebo ba e bia na wo de ne de bebo no na wan survive no we nti enemo decisions bia mo take bia no mon check it na mon take ni all right. Video way that my person didn't come but right now what is Ghana saying about the economy?
Crack can say and yet your bar obi edi odwuma no mo be bia kan say be ya 24-hour economy be ya dwuma and the 24-hour baller hwe twomani hwe ase a enegu la pass ya okwa aye kwanum nyina ma enya ka no asesa ka say break for do ba no the major a year or the my free education or promise no or yeah the major one or yeah it will so we promise a major one 24-hour economy no